Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Excuse. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everybody. Today the Pakistan People's Party 2-day-long Central Executive Committee has concluded. Along with the elections, and I'll get to that, the current situation of the country was discussed. The political situation was discussed. The threat to political stability was discussed. The concerns about Pakistan reaching a crisis point was discussed. And before I get into the details, Pakistan People's Party का तो असूली फैसला ये है कि हमने पाकिस्तान के साथ लेना है, हमने पाकिस्तान को स्टेबल बनाना है और इस बुरहान से निकालना है। तो वक्त एक बार फिर आ गया है कि पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी पाकिस्तान खपे का नारा उठाए। हम आज भी पाकिस्तान खपे का नारा उठाते हुए उस अंदाज में अपने फैसले कर रहे हैं। हकीकत तो ये है कि पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी does not have a mandate to form government, to form the federal government, और इसकी वजह से I will not be putting myself forward for the candidacy of the Prime Minister of Pakistan. There are two other groups, the independent group and Muslim League-Nawaz, that have more numbers than the Pakistan People's Party in the National Assembly. The PTI has announced that they will not engage in a dialogue with the Pakistan People's Party, and that rules out the possibility of an independent-led government and of a PTI-led government. That leaves us with Muslim League-Nawaz, who is the only political party in the National Assembly who have reached out to the Pakistan People's Party and invited us to join their government. The Pakistan People's Party has decided that while we are unable, we're not in a position to join the federal government ourselves, nor would we be interested in taking ministries in such a setup. We also don't want to see political chaos in the country. We don't want to see perpetual crisis in the country. What are our options? If PTI doesn't want our votes, and if Muslim League-Nawaz doesn't form a majority, and if I am not a Prime Minister candidate, and this House fails to elect a Prime Minister, and it fails to form a government, then we will have to go back for re-elections. And this will lead to another perpetuation of this political crisis. Political stability will not return. In fact, political instability will increase. And the consequences of that, more so than me or you, will be faced by the people of Pakistan, who are at this moment facing not only a political crisis, but an economic crisis, the very real threat of terrorism, and the dangers of climate change. So the Pakistan People's Party has decided that we ran this election on a manifesto, and a manifesto on issues of, can you hear me? Yeah. A manifesto on issues of public importance, including our Awami Muashi Muaida, and my commitment to the people of Pakistan, that we want to restore political stability and want to end this environment of political toxicity. So to that end, the Pakistan People's Party will be willing to support on an issue-to-issue basis, and in the case of important votes, a candidate for the Prime Minister of Pakistan, to ensure that a government is formed, to ensure that political stability is restored, and that, that a government can be formed that can get to the work, get to the point of doing the job of the people of Pakistan. In that context, the Pakistan People's Party has decided that we will form a committee of members of the Pakistan People's Party to engage